What is up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. So I forgot to film an intro, so this is Editing Ryan telling you to subscribe. We'll roll the intro and we'll get straight into episode 5 of restoring the abandoned high school / RAM Recreational Centre. Let's go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Still don't have power, but this has all been undercoated. This has been coated with paint. Looking out here, we've got a first coat on all these walls. Every wall except that one. So like I said in previous videos, we've just been painting. We finally had some sunny weather outside, which has been fantastic for work here at the rec centre. So there's a few other updates. I have bought a slate pool table over there, which is coin operated, so you guys can come down, play some pool. I went to Cairns yesterday and I bought myself another ping pong table, so we have 2 ping pong tables now. And just want to put a massive shout out to this business that I'm going to put along the screen right now. They actually donated the pool table. They watched my they donated the ping pong table. They actually watched my YouTube video before I got to Cairns yesterday, and they just really love what I'm doing, and they donated the ping pong table. So guys, really go check out their website. They're really cool what they do. So the pool table does have a couple little scratches and stuff in it, but it is slate. It is slate, which is really, really cool. So I picked this up for $200 or $250, which is just amazing for a slate table, let alone a coin operated one. And then for $40 I picked up some nice blue felt, which is currently in the mail and will be delivered in the next few days. So we will have this beautiful, nice and blue for you guys when you come. What else has changed? Bought some roller skates here. For when my nieces came, we had a bit of fun roller skating around, just testing it out. And let's just say, guys, this concrete is I fell over so many times, did not hurt myself once. The girls fell over heaps of times, didn't hurt themselves once, and we were getting fast. We were just having so much fun. If I have some clips, I'll roll those clips now. But other than that, not much has changed. We've just been painting. So my office / podcast room has had one coat of paint. As you've seen, Dad's put the doors in, and you would have seen the time lapse of when I painted that. Dad framed up this door yesterday, so it's got a nice little timber frame around it, and Mum finished off painting. So today my plan of attack is to probably paint that beautiful mezzanine there. That way we can start reaching out to some sponsors and hopefully get some local business to sponsor us, and we'll put their logos and stuff like that up there. So let's get to painting.
When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Another day's over at the rec centre. There's a beautiful sunset going on behind me. I'll play a time lapse of that at the end of this. Anyway, I'm back in the V8SS, and the reason I'm back in the V8SS is because of my car. Like I said, I had to go in and get a ball joint looked at, and I need new brakes and just a few things. So guys, I took it down to the team at Torque Auto in Babenda like I always do, and they're sorting us out. But for the time being, I am back behind the wheel of the yellow mean machine. So one thing that I'm not a big fan of with this car is you have to let it warm up. So I'm so used to just getting in the car and going, but now I have to sit here for like a minute or two, let that V8 engine get up off cold, and yeah, let's go. So as well as having an absolutely gorgeous sunset on this side, we also have the full moon starting to rise up here. It is just so cool. We truly do live in such a beautiful world, and I'm going to be a little bit deep here for a second, guys, but I found myself in a very dark place a few years ago, and I was quite alone, had no one to really talk to, no one to really go to, and I reconnected with God. So I was brought up in a Catholic childhood, so I reconnected my faith with God. And since doing so, my life has become such more of a blessing rather than a curse, and I've recently seen all the beauty in the world rather than all the darkness. Not only has my life become more of a blessing, I have been blessed with so many more things in my life, and I'm just truly grateful for everything that has come my way and everything that I have worked hard towards. So I'm not saying go into Christianity or Catholicism or bloody Hinduism or Judaism. Do whatever you want. I'm not one to preach any specific religion. Me personally, I just have my buddy up there, which is God, and he turns on a show like this every single day for us. So yeah, love you, buddy. And yeah, if you guys are ever feeling down in a dark place, he's always up there for a chat. And yeah, he's got some really, really wise scripture in his Bible. So just like that, we'll probably wrap up the video there. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry to get deep. If you're a real one, let me know. Drop down RAMFAM down below. And yeah, onto the beautiful sunset montage. Let's go.